Use the new heat map display to see the wear pattern on your tools. A combination of colors and messages can be used to understand how each tool was used and the effects of each cut on the tool. Track tool life by assigning wear limits to each tool for a variety of factors, such as cutting time, material removal volume or distance, and get notified when a tool is nearing expiration. For more information on tool summary and tool wear, see the Vericut help. CNC machine connectivity allows Vericut to connect directly to your machine to see real-time data in Vericut before, during, and after machining has taken place. The new post-check capability is an investigative tool which allows you to review archived data directly from the NC machine in order to observe how well the machine ran, as well as inspect and diagnose any issues that occurred during machining. Vericut 9.5 also introduces support for NC machines with Okuma, Siemens, and Heidenhain controls. For more information on CNC machine connectivity, see the Vericut help. The simulation timeline in the Tool Use window is now interactive with the NC Program Viewer and NC Program Review. It has been enhanced to include all of the time used by the machine to complete running NC programs and markers that show when errors, warnings, and other events occurred during the simulation. Activate NC Program Review and then click directly on an error marker shown in the timeline to review the error and investigate exactly where it occurred in the program. For more information on the interactive simulation timeline, see the Vericut help. Vericut 9.5 provides new interactive tools for moving coordinate systems, components, and models. These new features allow you to control, move, translate, and rotate coordinate systems. Move components and models faster and easier with fewer steps and less work. For more information on coordinate systems, see the Vericut help. Vericut's Learn mode evaluates machining performed by each cutting tool, then auto-configures optimization to increase cutting performance and efficiency. Vericut 9.5 has a smarter Learn mode with the ability to learn from cutting tools, then use the learned information to optimize those tools uniquely. For more information on Learn mode, see the Vericut help. Receive email or Teams notifications when a simulation is completed, with a summary of the results and a link to the log file. Notifications can also be configured to be sent for certain events during the simulation, such as collisions, errors, warnings, tool changes, and more. For more information on email notifications, see the Vericut help. Vericut 9.5 will continue to bring a number of enhancements to the capabilities and functions of CAM interfaces to automate as many picks as possible from within the interface. In order to leverage all of the latest tools and tooling capabilities that Vericut has to offer, the interfaces are also being updated to support more types of tools for simulation and support the latest released CAM versions. The Mastercam to Vericut interface is the first of the interfaces to include such enhancements. For more information on interfaces, see the Vericut help.